So let's talk about Tkinter Progressbars. So the progress bar widgets allow you to show the user how much progress has been made in a task. So here's a little demo. As you can see, I've got a button that says go. When I click on it, there it goes. That progress bar keeps increasing. So I'm going to show you how you can make this yourself. Firstly, you'll need to import Tkinter, and then since progress bar isn't included in the default Tkinter module, you'll need to import it from Tkinter's sub module, the TTK module, and with that you can import progress bar. So we've got root is equal to tk.tk, we've got progress bar with the parent root, orientation is tk is horizontal, the length is 100, and the mode is determinate. Now what does determinate mean? Well, in the case of Tkinter, the determinate mode shows how much progress has actually been made. The bar, let me just start the program again. As you can see in here, when I click on go, the bar continues to increase till it reaches the end. In indeterminate mode, a single bar of pretty small size just swipes across this screen, and you have no way of knowing how much progress has been made in the task. So this is determinate mode. Next, we've got a function called def move bar. In that, I've got a for loop, and then in the range of 100, the progress bar will keep increasing the value, progress bar's value, to x, which is the number, and then root will be updating its idle tasks. As you can see, enter the event loop until all idle callbacks have been called. This will update the display of the windows but not process events caused by the user. You'll have to do this as well, and then we can use time to sleep. Now we've got to pack progress bar. I'd actually recommend using padding as 10. Then you have next tk.button go command would be move the bar. Then here we're packing our next button, and after that root.main loop. You could keep the padding to anything you'd like. I just want to maintain a gap between the buttons. Let's remove the padding for now, and also let's increase the progress bar's size. How about 300? Run this and see, got a huge progress bar, and it does the exact same thing. Takes the exact same amount of time, reaches the end. Try this how many ever times you want, and all that's causing it to move is this. What if we use minus 100? Nothing happens because you can't go the other way around. So that's what you need to know about Tkinter Progressbars. I'd love to see you incorporate these into installers that you make with Python, or any heavy task that you're running with Python. See you in the next video.